So yes, you can see here the transaction has been confirmed and I can see the stake option right over here. So all I need to do is click on stake. In my recent video, I talked about this token which is Daytona Finance, the TONI token. Now at that time, this token was trading at only 27 cents per token. But within 24 hours, now it is priced at almost 50% up and is now trading at 0.40 cents per token, which means it is one of the potential token to be traded in the down market. The potential of it reaching to $1 is quite high, and that's why I bring you this video in which you can earn TONI token for free. I will show you step-by-step process how you can earn TONI token by not investing in it but just staking your other token. So welcome to Katos Tubes. I'm host Paras, and in today's video I'm going to decode TONI token. So do watch the video till the end because this can be a game changer for you. Also, if you are a Pulsechain lover, since Daytona Finance is built on Pulsechain, you should know that I have a dedicated playlist of Pulsechain token which can be seen right on my channel right over here. I will share all the links in the description, so don't worry about it. If you want to take all the knowledge related to Pulsechain, Pulsechain dexes, how you can farm tokens on the Pulsechain, you need to go through this playlist and it will give you a complete knowledge of Pulsechain and also Daytona Finance. Now having said that, let's take a look at TONI token. So this is the TONI token which I covered a day back, and now it is raging bull. You can see it is going up, up and up. It is the farm token of Daytona Finance, which is a kind of decentralized exchange on Pulsechain that is powered by PulseX. Now I will take you through how it actually works. I will trade a token and stake it and will tell you how you can earn free TONI token. So do watch the video till the end. Moreover, if you are new here, remember to subscribe and press the bell icon because I share such crypto nuggets every day. And if you think you need help, you are not alone. Just click on the link in the description box and join our Telegram community. It is a new and growing Telegram community which will help you grow your profit in the down market and also help you find out the best token which can mint you money. So click it out and join our Telegram community. So let's get started. I am on Daytona Finance. So this is the main website of Daytona Finance with the token ticker that is TONI. And here you need to go to this pools option which I am already at. And here it is saying stake token to earn TONI token, which means if you stake any of these tokens like I covered in the last video, you can earn TONI token for free, which means you are getting this price for the token. So these are all the eligible tokens: WPLS, EHEX, and you have HEX, and you have TONI, PLSX, REN. So all this token can be used to stake and earn TONI token. Now, in order to earn TONI token, I must have any of these tokens. So for that, I need to click on exchange, and once I click on exchange, it will take me through this page, which is your PulseX DEX. If you want to know about PulseX DEX, just refer to my playlist. You will learn everything about farming on PulseX and how to trade on PulseX. So I am going to trade live on PulseX for you and show you how you can stake tokens and earn TONI tokens. So in my wallet, I have a total balance of PulseX which is standing at, let me just show you right away. It is 2500 PLS token. I do not have WPLS, so what I am planning to do is either stake PLSX token if it allows me to purchase PLSX with the current value of PLS, or I will try purchasing this WPLS token. So the thing is that the difference is PLSX will give me 188% APR and 4% fee, and I can earn TONI, while WPLS is giving me 249% APR and with a fee of just 4% I can earn TONI. So again, going by APR, I should go with WPLS, but the best is to go with TONI, which is giving me 784%, but I don't have this token in my wallet. So what I will do, I will purchase any of this token to earn TONI tokens. So for that, I'm going to PulseX DEX, and here I have entered 1000 PLS tokens. I have 2500 token balance, and now I'm going to buy WPLS. So before I do this transaction, remember, in my wallet right over here, I do not have WPLS, which means it doesn't show the token ticker of WPLS. For that, you need to click on this MetaMask option, which is right over here. If I click on it, it will open the MetaMask wallet, and once it opens the MetaMask wallet, I need to click add token. So with that, a simple step, my WPLS ticker has been added into my wallet. So let me just show you. You can see I have 0 WPLS. So now I will purchase WPLS and put it on staking. So click on wrap, and once I click on wrap, it opens up the window for me, and then it will give me all the details. So I'm getting 1000 WPLS and my cost will be equivalent to 111. Okay, so I'm confirming this transaction. Let me confirm it, and soon I should be able to receive WPLS token. So I'm just waiting for it. Transaction has been confirmed. I can view this transaction on the Pulse chain. It is showing me confirmed. So let's wait and just click on this transaction button first and see the status of this transaction. It is confirmed 19 seconds ago, 1000 PLS. Okay, so let me now check my wallet. So this is MetaMask wallet, and once I open it, it should show me WPLS. Now I need to go to Daytona Finance and again reconnect my wallet. So I need to click connect here. So once I click connect, click MetaMask. Okay, that is done. And now I need to go to this option, which is WPLS, giving me 245% APR. Click on approve contract. And once I click on approve contract, it is still loading, and after some time I can put the max value like 1000, which I have already. And with that, if I press next, this is next, what it will show me, the gas fee is 101 PLS. So I will be charged 101 PLS for this, and my token will be staked. So let me just click on approve. So yes, you can see here the transaction has been confirmed, and I can see the stake option right over here. So all I need to do is click on stake. So I am putting maximum WPLS tokens, so which means a deposit fee of 40 will be charged right over here. So it will be total of 960 WPLS at the staking. So I'm confirming it. So once I confirm it, it will ask me to sign the transaction, which I have to wait. So this is charging me 656 gas fee, and now I'm confirming this transaction. So I guess it's done, just waiting for the confirmation. So the transaction has been confirmed and the token has been staked. You can see I have staked 960 tokens. Of course, there were 1000 tokens, but I have been charged a 4% fee, so 960 tokens were staked. Now I will receive automatically TONI token by staking this WPLS token. I can also put on harvest next. This is what I have to do. Click on harvest. And once I click on harvest, this is the final step that I need to do, and it will again charge me some kind of fee. So it is charging me 471 PLS. Now I will start receiving TONI token right onto this pool, and once I receive it, I will start earning this token. So that's how easy you can do it. It's a simple step. Remember to hold maximum number of PLS as high as you can to earn the TONI token. So that's about the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do watch the video shared on the end screen, and if you have any question, comment below or join our Telegram group, because that will help you get started quickly into this. There is a community that is waiting to interact with you. So that's about the video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Do remember to subscribe and have a nice day.